What's going on, YouTube?
What is up, guys? It's
We back with another video. We actually gonna get a surprise install today. I know he wanted my help with this. But after this, I'm also gonna introduce the car to the channel because boy Jacob and his 370 just got a whole new exhaust. How you feeling? How you feeling?
Oh yeah, feeling good, yeah.
Yeah, here's his car. It's been modded a little bit. Just doing piece by piece right now, but I wanted to introduce the car to the channel and everything. You know, a little bit of fender bender right there, but he'll fix that up. Don't worry about it. But I'm gonna go ahead and let's get started on this install. I mean, I might show you where to undo the bolts, but I mean, at the end of the day, exhaust is pretty self-explanatory. So let's get started with the install. Our car's up in the air now, and he's down there spraying WD-40 so we can get these bolts and exhaust hangers out faster.
Get them loose real quick, get them looped up. You already know how to do it.
I ain't gonna lie, but this exhaust is so clean. It's the ISR single exit, or dual exit. He said the only way he'll go single exit is if he has a Tommy like me. So I can't blame him for that. But we're gonna install this now.
You already know dual exit game. Come on, show the car real quick.
Dual exit?
Hey, don't mind the tips, they kind of dirty, it's okay.
But look at this fitment though, jeez. All he needs is to get some new wheels and he'll be set. So yeah. I'll get back to y'all whenever we start taking out the bolts, and I'll tell you where all the bolts are. I might link a video down below for y'all to do an install, but it's pretty simple. So yeah, I'll get back to y'all. All right, y'all, we finally got the exhaust off. We had one stripped nut, and it was a pain in the ass. It took like 4 hours to get it off. Everything else was so easy. But now let's actually start installing the new exhaust. Well, I don't know why my phone is so dark right now. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it was horrible. So let's go ahead and install the actual exhaust and get started with it. But of course, we gotta turn this on when there's no exhaust. So let's go start with that. Oh my God! Yo! 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 Oh my God! Little higher, little higher.
Just keep them on, honestly.
Do one more time, one more time. right, so we just finished tightening down all the bolts and pretty much installing the whole exhaust. Let's go ahead and turn it up and see what it sounds like. Bigger pop. Yep, we pretty much just finished and they just left. I'll enter the clip in right now. But garage is all cleaned up and everything. But yeah, I just want to introduce Jacob to the channel and everything. So that's me, his new car on the channel. Whenever you do mods with recorded, I put on my channel for y'all. But if y'all like the video today, make sure y'all go down, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so I get posted whenever I post a new video. And I'll see y'all later.